Hi, friends. I have something a little different for you today. So, you know that I was on vacation a couple of weeks ago on a cruise with my husband. So, obviously, I haven't had time to get into my craft room and make any cards. So, but what was waiting for me when I got back from vacation was my pre order from Stamping Up with all my goodies in it, including new items from the mini catalog, which will be available for you to order from on January 4th, as well as celebration items, which I was able to order since I'm a demonstrator. So if you become a demonstrator like me, although you don't have to do all these videos and do all this selling and stuff like that, that's only if you want to. You'll be able to order from the mini catalog ahead of time before anybody else does. And it's a great deal. It's $99. You get to choose $125 worth of product. And like I said, you can order from the mini catalog before anybody else does. So how cool is that? Anyway, let's get started. I unpacked this, but I didn't go through it, so I have no idea what's in it. It's huge, though. It's probably just as big as the package that I got when I first became a demonstrator almost 3 years ago. All right, so let's do this together, okay? All right, so what do we have here? We have our packing stuff, right? We got some, I think this was actually a clearance item. It's linen specialty paper. So this is really cool because I'll be able to stamp on this if I want to, right? Very nice. Then the 2023-2025 in color luster paper, 12 by 12. This is really pretty. It's got this shine to it. Really, really nice. Can't wait to try that out. And what is this? Tartan foil. Oh, this is I think this was an online exclusive. I don't even think it's available anymore. But yeah, so this was, okay. And then, what else do we have here? Actually, I'm dropping stuff while I'm doing this because I put it on top of the bubble wrap, which is not, flat. Okay, so what else do we have here? Nature's Sweetness. Oh, isn't this gorgeous? Oh, look at how pretty that is. This is one of the new items in the mini catalog. It's the 12 by 12 designer series paper. That is so beautiful. Let's see. Oh, the perennial lavender. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I didn't even open these for you. I'm sorry. Isn't that beautiful though? Look at that. Oh, I love lavender. Anything lavender, that's for me. Okay, this I think is one of the, yes it is. This is one of the celebration items that you could earn for a $50 order, $50 purchase. So this is also 12 by 12. I got a lot of paper because I'm running low on paper. Can you imagine? This is Flight and Airy, also another designer series paper, really cute birdies. I'm not much of a bird person, but this was really cute. Another item that you can earn for during celebration. Oh, let's see, Distress Tile 3D embossing folder. This is new in the mini catalog. I think this was in either the annual catalog, and I kind of missed it, or in the mini catalog, but I think it's carrying over to the next catalog. So that's cool. The layered florals, this is beautiful. I can't wait to start like doing shading on this. This is going to be really pretty. Rustic Crate, which was in the mini catalog, and I kind of didn't see it in the mini catalog, but I'm very happy because it is carrying over, so I was able to purchase this so I could still use it next year on my cards. More wishes. This is really fun because it goes with the biggest wish, very similar to that. And you may say, okay, well, there's Christmas on here and New Year's, but you know what? You could use this year round. It's not just for Christmas. You've got love, so you can do Valentine's Day. And like I said, it coordinates with the biggest wish, so it's really great. Uh-oh. Do I have two of these? This layered florals? Oh, I did. Look at that. I guess I liked it so much I ordered it twice. Okay. Well, I may have to give this one away. We'll see. We'll see. All right, what else do we have in here? So, Heartfelt Hellos. Is this might It is Celebration. Okay, this is a Celebration item. I think you can earn it for a $50 purchase. How cool is this? And this actually coordinates with the Heartfelt Hexagon Punch, I believe. I think that coordinates with that. So really nice. What else do we have here? Enduring Beauty Dies. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Look at this. I can't wait to color this. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. And look at the sentiments. It's always been you. Love endures all things. You mean so much to so many. Holding you close in my heart. Embrace the beauty of you. Isn't that pretty? Ah, Planted Paradise. This we were able to get during, I think, was it On Stage at Home? I think we got this at On Stage at Home. It was the virtual event that we did at home back in October. So they gave us this when we placed our order. So really nice. And then, let's see, I got the dies for this. The Jungle Pals, where are they? That's not it. Okay, anyway, Jungle Pals you can earn for $50 during Celebration. Aren't they cute? And I also got the dies. Oh yes, here they are. These are the dies. All right, you can't see them, but this is available for a $100 order during Celebration, so that's really cool. What is this? Basic white cardstock free gift. Oh, how nice is that? And they're already pre-cut 5x7. Well, that's something different. Very nice though. Nice little gift. Wasn't expecting that. These embellishments here coordinate with the lavender paper. I don't remember what the suite is called. Hooray for Surprises dies. Lifetime of Love dies. I'm sure I got stamps that those go with someplace. Oh yeah, okay, so let's see. Hooray for Surprises dies goes with this stamp set. This is going to be in the mini catalog, which you can start ordering from January 4th, or if you become a demonstrator before then, you can order it from now. So how cool is that? All right, let's see, what else do we have in here? Notes of Nature. This, I believe, coordinates with that really pretty paper. It's part of the suite. I don't have a mini catalog in front of me, otherwise I'd let you know what it's called. But Nature Sweetness, I believe this stamp set coordinates with that. Okay, got that. This is a Celebration item for a $100 purchase. You get the softly sophisticated stamp set and an embossing folder. How cool is that? Enduring Beauty Decorative Mask. This actually goes with that stamp set and dies that I just showed you. Then we have A Lifetime of Love. Pretty, huh? This is perfect for like weddings, anniversaries, anything like that. Oh, and this coordinates with the dies. I bet you they cut out these flower images, and there's probably even like a label one in here. All right, let's see. Then we have some pretty embellishments. These are Petal Pink and Pretty Peacock foiled gems. Aren't they pretty? I don't know if you can see them. I know the glare from the light's hitting it, but they have like these speckles, gold speckles all throughout. Very pretty. Then we have these two items coordinate also. They are Lighter Than Air, and there's a stamp set and dies with hot air balloons. I chose not to get those though, but who knows, I might change my mind. And also these cute rainbow adhesive back dots. Really pretty, fun colors. Reminds me of ice cream. And aha, my Celebration catalogs. How cool is that? I can't open them though. Nope, not until January 4th. And then I have my mini catalogs here. How fun is this? Ooh, exciting. Oh, here's another item that goes, hang on, before I lose these. Wait, my chair's not big enough. This also goes with the lighter than air. It's the thread, the Baker's Twine 3-color combo pack. And boho blue, lemon lolly, and flirty flamingo, maybe? Not sure. Not sure. What is this? This is really pretty. Pretty peacock and gold ribbon. Ooh, look at that, how pretty that is. Gorgeous, huh? All right, this looks like it might be another celebration item, this cloud paper. It's called Sunny Days. Isn't that pretty? And this one here, don't remember what this is. Forever Love. This might be, I don't think this is a celebration item. I think this was just paper that probably goes with those enduring, or maybe no, Lifetime of Love. I think it might go with that stamp set, this one here. The Lifetime of Love. Not sure. And I got some bags, some reusable shopping bags. So when I go grocery shopping, everybody can see that I'm a Stampin' Up! Person. How cool is that? Anyway, if you have any questions or you want to place an order beforehand to get your hands on all these fun goodies from the new mini catalog and the celebration, get in contact with me. I can hook you up and get you started as well. And otherwise, you can start ordering January 4th. And if you are not working with the demonstrator and you need one, I'd be more than happy to help you place your order and get you started. So my contact information can be found below. And hopefully by the following week, I will have another video for you with a card tutorial. I do plan to get back doing that, although with Christmas, who knows? I'm not making any promises, but I will try my best to do that. All right, guys, thanks again for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It's something a little different. I know I've done like little teasers in the past with unboxing, but never something like this. So let me know what you think, if you enjoyed that. If not, tell me you liked it anyway, okay? And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and tell your crafty friends about it as well. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.